having a hard time with a consistent mist, I have a solution for you. And what I mean by that inconsistency is this. If it's not shooting a mist all the way clearly through like that, if it's skipping, you may have trapped air in the straw. So check this out real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this liquid that I have in here, which is just a cologne fragrance from level 3. I'm going to remove this. My straw out, lean this over right here. Make sure that straw doesn't get any contamination. I have it just balanced on the side there. So I'm gonna pour this back into here. Okay. Get that back in there. Make sure all of it is pretty much gone. The trick is to keep this empty, okay, as much as possible. There's a little bit in there left. I can probably pour this into like a CC cup. We have one in here. Perfect. Make sure that all the liquid is out. Okay, it's as much as it's gonna allow me to. So you put this back on here, and the trick is to run this without any liquid. And since there is a little bit of liquid left over, make sure this is on there flush. Make sure it's on there flush. And you see there's a little bit of liquid in there, so tilt it to where there's no liquid entering the straw. And just let this thing run. You hear a little bit of a whistle. It's clearing itself out right now. That's what's going on. I'm running at the lowest setting, and I'll punch it up to a higher gear real quick, or the highest setting. Just let the air run through it. Okay, this should fix your problem. Simple, easy, but if you are having more of a harder time fixing this, you can take this off, and I recommend you get a paper towel for this. Don't want to contaminate that straw with whatever's hanging around in the shop, you know, especially in their workspace. It's hair, you name it, whatever the case. I'm gonna lay this out. We're gonna need a screwdriver.